What if you could turn your SketchUp exterior model from this into a realistic architectural render like this using ChatGPT for free? In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete process. The entire process is surprisingly simple. Hello, welcome to SketchUp Modeling Academy, where we make SketchUp easier with practical, step-by-step tutorials. If you want to improve your SketchUp skills, subscribe and let's get started. Export your SketchUp view. I already have an exterior model prepared, so the first thing we need to do is to export the view that we are going to use as our reference. Set up the camera scene. Click on File, Export, 2D Graphic. Select the folder you want to save the project. Export. Now upload the image to ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. Start a new chat. Click on Add File. Select the image and open. Once the image has uploaded, ChatGPT can use our SketchUp view as the reference for the architectural render. I've already prepared a detailed prompt for this workflow, so I'm simply going to paste it here. This is important because we want to visualize our SketchUp design, not have the AI completely redesign it. Now let's generate the render. Click on Send Prompt. And there we go. This is our original SketchUp view, and this is the AI generated result. The difference is incredible. If you are regularly working with SketchUp and architectural visualization, having a capable laptop can also make your overall workflow much smoother, especially when you are working with larger models and multiple applications. I've put some laptops and other recommended tools for SketchUp and visualization in the description if you are looking to upgrade your setup. Now let's take a closer look at the final result. Before we finish, there is one thing I always recommend when using AI for architectural visualization. Make sure the windows, doors, proportions, and other important architectural elements are still correct. If ChatGPT changes something you don't want, you can simply ask it to correct that specific element using the same reference image. You can type in the prompt right here to correct it. For example, let's write render night impression. We have the night impression here. You can make any adjustment of your choice. When you are done, click here to download. Download it. I'll leave the prompts in the description. So if you want to create a custom prompt, you can simply describe the type of building you want to render. Explain everything in details to ChatGPT and tell it to generate a prompt for you. And that is how you can turn a SketchUp exterior model into a realistic architectural render using ChatGPT for free. And remember, the quality of your results will depend heavily on your reference image and the instructions you give to AI. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to SketchUp Modeling Academy for more SketchUp and AI visualization tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.